How to use and install DeepSeek R1 locally. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. On the web browser, go to the search bar on the top and search for deepseek.com. Now you will land to the official website. If you scroll down, then you will get to know more about DeepSeek. There are different version and class. Now scroll to the top and select the option Start Now. DeepSeek AI may not be available for new users, but if you have already opened an account on DeepSeek, then you can log in. At the top, you can see a notification like this. I'm gonna simply click on Login with Google. DeepSeek is currently not available for download, so you cannot install this on your desktop. However, you can create a shortcut. There's a new feature added on DeepSeek called DeepSeek R1. You can generally talk with DeepSeek. For example, I have written "Hello, what's up?" and it will generate a response based on the instructions. With DeepSeek R1, you can create a response that are more in-depth. For example, I'm gonna write in "create a map for me." Now it will not only generate a response but also show me the thinking process. As you can see, this faded gray color is the thinking. Once it thinks properly, then only it generates me the response. Now it has given me response on what type of map I want, purpose, style and key features. I'm simply gonna type in the instructions again. Now it will write me a code. Just like this, you can also use DeepSeek R1. That's all for today. Thank you.